Nibingelela futhi bafethu. Yazi bafethu kunendaba unodaba just and pay attention kulo, especially when it's come to Naledi Aphiwe, you understand, because he's one of the superstars nalo eMzansi Afrika and elingene lincane egamini and elisakhula lisenza izinto zenzeke uyayibo lo nto leyo. So like ngibukele i-music pulse but like they talk about an artist and stuff, and what I heard there ukuthi Naledi Aphiwe like uluze i-writing, you understand, uluze i-deal nestambu which like ama-meter yabo ama-million. So because of izinto ezenzakalayo, I understand, because of ama-comment akawenzile and all those things, I understand point yami. So this situation indenze like indaba more conscious, I understand, when it's come to Naledi Aphiwe yabo, because into endibona engathi abantu abaningi they always like bahleli bafuna umbone efile angafiki imile afuna ufike la khona and all those things, I understand. And into abayikhohlwayo ingane leya usakhula la muntu usesemncane kakhulu yabo. They say like I think he's turning 19 years old yabo, and ungene egemini emncane ingane and like aka-understand ezinye izinto instead of thina esibukela kuye, because like he provide us music omnandi yabo. Lo nto leyo mele simsupporte and sithole indlela ukuthi at least enze ngcono, because wenza ngcono even kunezinye iy'ngane uyayibo. Lo nto lezinye iy'ngane age yakhe sidla ama-drugs zenza zonke ezibheda, but yena she's making life ibe ngcono uyabo for iside lakhe. So into endibona abantu abaningi like bafuna ukumbona efile engayindawo, and what I'm proud of unominatiwe futhi kuma-Metro Awards, you understand, and kuma-category amaninzi uyayibo. Lo nto leyo engathi bafethu ningamvotela nimbonisa uthando as much as last year nimvotele wawina na this year bafethu mengicela ukuthi nimvotele akwazi ubuya naye futhi indondo uyayibo. Lo nto leyo because like she's been working very hard lamntana azabe lapha ekhona today uyayibo. Lo nto leyo and like uyaphusha ngandlela zonke, but into endibona i-negativity hlezi imlandelela and aphe khona engathi angaba strong akwazi ukuphusha even more, akwazi femela afikele khona, because vele ukuphusha iphupho asiyonto elula leyo, but it's possible. So and nami I believe ukuthi ziningi into angazifulfill ebomini bakhe before ehit aboma-30 years uyayibo. Lo nto leyo at 25 years like uzobe phila way better than abantu abaningi yabo. So I just wish the best for yena, athi angawina lama-awards lawa awanominatiwe abuye nawo aqhubeke adrop album, because yinto esiyimele, because she's been dropping ama-single athi adrop album this time. Cases out ngancane bafethu.